Welcome, in front of me is a General Mobile GM8 Go, and today I will show you how to wipe cache on this device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key in order to shut off the device. Wait for it to shut off, and once it has, we'll then hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, both keys at the same time, and we should see boot mode soon after. So there it is, that's the boot mode. And from here you want to use only volume up to navigate. And with that in mind, select recovery mode, which is the first option, and confirm it with volume down, like so. And next thing is gonna be the no command Android right here. So to get past this, what you want to do is hold power key and tap volume up once. So hold and press, and we're now in the recovery mode. And from here we can use both of the volume keys to navigate, so volume down to go down and up to go up. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition and confirm it with power key, like so. And I'm not sure, but this shouldn't be really happening. For some reason, every time I select some kind of option, it pops up. So same process for me, power key and tap volume up. And let's try that again. So now I can confirm it, select yes, and power key to confirm it. Then you will see cache wipe complete, and you can now press power key to reboot system now. And the process is basically done. And we're back in the system. So that is how you would perform this operation. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.